Hi, this is Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update, Monday, August 16, 2010. Well, the markets today can be summed up in one word 3 times. Boring, boring, boring. There wasn't any significant economic news to speak of, and the markets had a ho-hum day. The markets were down, but going into the close, they recouped and came back. The Dow ended up down 1, essentially flat. The S&P was up less than 1 point, again flat. But the NASDAQ was up a little over 8 points, about 1/3% to 2181. Oil was down 20 cents or 1/4% to 75.19. Gold was up again to $9.60 or 3/4% to 12.25. Did you take my advice last week and buy some gold? Silver was up 29 cents or 1.6%. It was the big winner of the day to $18.40. Treasuries, 5 years 1.38%, 10 years 2.58, and 30 years 3.72. Yields were down and prices were up. People are still rushing to quality. Or is that just the Fed buying treasuries? The US dollar was down against all the major currencies, the euro, the pound, and the yen. And volume on the New York was very light at 3.3 billion and the NASDAQ 1.5 billion. As I said, it was a very slow, boring day. Better than a sell-off, I guess. Over in Europe, Europe was mostly down. The Euro Stoxx 50 index and Italy were both down about 1/3%. The UK was flat, and Spain was down marginally. The European market started fairly negative, but came back to almost positive. Again, most of the indexes were down marginally, about 0.2% for the most part. Asia was mixed. Shanghai was up over 2%, and the Nikkei was down 2/3%. The majority of the indexes over in Asia were down, but less than 1%. An interesting note, China just surpassed Japan as the second largest economy in the world. And this has been Dan Stewart for your NORAM Asset Management Market Update on a slow day, Monday, August 16, 2010.